Hello, everybody. Today I have an update for you. It is a beautiful Howarthia. You can see how beautiful it is. It's white one side and with green lines, and this one also white lines instead. And it's just a beautiful plant. It's a very, very easy plant. Now, I don't know. I have two name tags here. Not sure which one, because I do remember asking all of you what could it be called, because I didn't get a name tag on it. Someone told me it's called Howarthia retusa Milky Way. I'm not quite sure, but the other one I can barely read it, so I won't even bother. But anyways, it's a Howarthia. I love it. It's beautiful. And guess what? It has bloomed. And I barely take care of it. I kind of left it on its own. It's a beautiful plant. I love this Howarthia. I do remember I did order it, I believe, in eBay, but I'm not sure who. Sorry. It's been a while and I did not save the information. Naughty me, naughty. So I wanted to share with you the bloom. This is the bloom. It's not a big deal thingy, but it is a lovely bloom. I don't know how to make it a beautiful close-up. All right, let's see if we can do this. You see that? Focus. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful plant. It's a cute little flower. It's like the same. It's white flowers with green lines. It's so strange, but it's cute. It is cute, very cute. I don't know how to focus this. You see that? They're really tiny. They're so small. As you can see, my fingers. And the flower is so cute. You see that? So, yeah, that's the bloom. And I'm going to have another bloom, which is this one. So my friends, that's the blooms for the Howarthia. I'm so excited that I got these blooms after so many years that I had this Howarthia, and finally it bloomed. And look, I'm like surprised. I was surprised when I saw a little long thing. I'm like, wait, let me bend down, and I saw, oh my God, it's so cute, it's so different. And it is different. My friends, another plant that is very easy to grow. I mean, I have it in front of a window, a sunny window, and I treat it just the same way as a cactus. I water it only when it's really dry. So, and I don't keep the soil moist, so it's mostly dry. And this plant is very, very unique, very different, very beautiful. So this is another plant that I do suggest you getting. And yes, there's some dry leaves in there. And I think it does need also repotting because there's some baby ones in there. So far, so good. It has been doing well. And I had no problems with the plant until finally it bloomed. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.